Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a tool that I developed on my website, which is a WebRTC video and screen recorder kind of an application. So this is actually the tool here. If you visit freemediatools.com, it's a webcam video and screen recorder tool. If you visit this website freemediatools.com, let me show you the tool here. It's readily made inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you can see whenever you land on this page you can try out this tool here. You have two options right here. You can select webcam, and as soon as you select webcam you will see your webcam will show right here. You can also select the video quality from the drop down like this. All the three options are available. Then you can also select your camera as well, so all the cameras are showing right here. So automatically your main camera will be selected, and you can see my main camera is selected. There is an option here if you want to include audio. You can select your microphone as well. All the drop down choices will be there. And now we have three buttons out there. So if you want to start the recording, so I will simply say start recording, and now you can see my voice is recording and also the camera recording has started. So everything I'm speaking right here has been recording right here. And now I also have the button of stop recording. So as I click the stop recording button, you will see everything will be recorded. And if I need to play this, recording has started. So everything I'm speaking right here has been recording right here. And now I also have, so we also have the option here to download this as a MP4 file. So if you click this, you will see your video file will be downloaded, and now you can play this file in your video player so very easily. So this is the overall application. You can see now the video is playing. Also the camera recording has started. Similarly goes for screen recording as well. And now for the screen recording, you will actually again click the start recording button, and now you just need to select which part of the screen you want to record. Click on share, and now you can see your screen recording will start. So everything that you're speaking right here has been recording. Click on stop recording, you will see your screen recording. Same goes again, you download MP4, you will see. So you can try out this tool here. It is there on freemediatools.com. If you are interested in purchasing the source code of this application, you can do this by visiting, the link is given in the description. After you purchase it, you will get this entire HTML code, CSS and JavaScript. You can see almost 1000 lines of code is there. You can see once you get the source code, you can easily modify this source code, the user interface and also the application logic as well. So first of all, visit this before purchasing it. Just try out this tool. If it works, if you like it, then readily you can purchase it. This is very much helpful if you are building a college project, or if you're looking for a job. This project will be very much helpful. You will get to know how I developed this application from scratch. So almost 1000 lines of code is there. So you will get this once you purchase it from Google Drive automatically. So definitely try out this tool, and thank you very much for watching this video.